We talk football SA, MTN 8, last 8. Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. Vuyo. Lubisi. Ungathini mfowethu ngomdlalo namhlanje?
Into engayiphawula lo mdlalo wamhlanje, I think futhi ube yilesini ku-coach nge-starting 11 sakhe special, but i-game it was okay. Bafana abancane bayashisa, especially uLungu, uMasilela from 2050 uvebe mfowethu sikhula naye, siyambona uyalithanda. Kabelo Khositsile, even though he didn't have a great game, but he was fighting, the boy was fighting. I want to talk especially about Usiyema, Undaba, then Umurem. I think we have power. Power. Undaba stood up today. Undaba stood up. Siyema, that save in the boxing, that tackle he did the boxing, that was crucial. I think the game was great, but coach need to set up starting 11 sakhe. It's consistent. You need to get a consistent starting 11 because first game Kale Ngohoto, second game Kala Undaba. Shift that momentum in the team. So
no continuity.
So you need to get the consistent line. After you see you go to your winning, maybe 2-1. Then you can fire Bohoto. You can fire Undaba. I mean, fire bonke labafana ufuna ukubafaka, but you wanna say thank you to Ulungu for storing up. Uthathe he took umsebenzi awubema shoulder yakhe njengomfukeng wayenza last season. Like on those big games you need to stood up. I'm taking one for the team. They got a great goal. Great goal. The final third, the great goal.
Bani man of the match yakho mfowethu?
Pirates or Durban City?
No, okay. No more keep ngapha nangapha, no keep one.
Pirates, I'll give it to Murem. Durban City. I don't want to call him Mr. Pirates, it's just a name. He had a good game.
Uyadlala.
He had a good game.
Mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga sizombona egijima ku-Pirates.
He had a good game, but I don't want to call him Mr. Pirates, just a big because people bambiza njalo.
Bambiza kanjani.
But uboy uyalazi kakhulu. I think now iyabheja imsizile kakhulu but uboy uyalazi uncanana. I will give it to him with Durban City. Pirates Murem.
No, mfowethu. You talk football in South Africa. Just like our name, we talk football SA.
Thank you so much.
Meet you online.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.